Yeah, one of the things that we do on every project that I guess keeps things moving, because you look around, there's a lot of jobs that sort of stall and people wonder why, but we sit down once a week per project for every project with the project team, which will exist of, myself, Jared, project manager, contract administrator, site manager, everyone getting together around a controlled environment, no phones, no nothing, and we're literally just talking about the build, and that'll exist of project schedule. So project schedule, procurement, anything financial related, variations, clients, design stuff that's where there's issues. We'll talk about OH&S. We'll talk about, what else will we talk about?
So we also, we talk about the whole project on a weekly basis, and we also have design meetings where we get the whole project team out on site, where we all come out on site and we'll allocate an hour to walk around, have a look at various stages of the project and just go through it top to bottom, and that's a really good opportunity for the site and the office to get together out on site and discuss the project and have a look and iron out any questions, and it's just so effective to execute a good project.